Determine the limit by interpreting it as the definition of the derivative. Limit as h goes to 0 of x plus h to the fourth minus 3 times x plus h squared minus x to the fourth plus 3x squared all over h. This limit is of the form limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. The result of this limit is the derivative f prime of x. So instead of working out the limit directly, which can take a while, we can instead take the derivative of f of x, and that'll be the result of the limit. To do that, we need to figure out f of x. F of x is found right here, but it's subtracting the entire f of x. And that means we will want to rewrite this with that negative factored out. So let's rewrite limit as h goes to 0, the x plus h to the fourth, the minus 3 x plus h squared, I will leave alone, and we can factor a negative out, and that will be an x to the fourth and a minus 3x squared all over h. The f of x is right here once you have a negative sign factored out if there are multiple terms. So our f of x is x to the fourth minus 3x squared. The result of the limit is the derivative of this, so let's find the derivative, f prime of x. The first term is a power rule, bring down the power, subtract 1 from it, so 4x cubed, minus the second term is a power rule, bring down the power, multiply with that negative 3, which will give us a negative 6, subtract 1 from the power, which will be to the first power, and that will be the result of the limit. This limit is therefore equal to 4x cubed minus 6x.